But real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to show y'all these rollers. They're like gelled and slotted and all that. I'm gonna be putting these on my car probably in like 2 weeks. I don't know though, but I'll see about it. Maybe like 2 weeks. And I got some more mods coming in. I already have my front lip. My trunk lip was just shipped. And what else do I have? I have my side skirts. My springs are coming in today, so I'm gonna put those on really soon. I might put these on the same day as the spring. It just makes sense because I have to take the wheels off either way. Look at all this that I got. All of this is my products on my website. So if y'all want anything like front lip, trunk lip, diffusers, anything y'all can think of, muffler tips, feel free to check out my website. Link in the description. Alright boys, what's going on? I'm back again with another video. I'll just be talking about like how much this car costs to own. I'll just be going over like maintenance costs of the car. And honestly, it's gonna be a pretty lame topic because there is nothing wrong with the B58. I've always heard people talk about it, and before I got one, I'm like, no way it's just like that good. But trust me, y'all, so far, because mostly this video is gonna be just me ripping the car and talking a little bit, but there's not much to say. Like, this car has just been great. Like, I've owned it for, I want to say 4 months now.
Pothole reported ahead.
But yeah, I've owned this thing for like 4 months, and I know I have a check engine light. That's just because of my front mount intake. Other from that, there's not a single issue that I've run into with this car. And y'all see how much I push this car in my video, and to this day there's not one single issue that came up with the car. Nothing unexpected. All I do is my basic oil changes. I do my oil changes I try to do every 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 miles. My car is stage 2 plus. Well, stage 2 actually, not stage 2 plus. It's XHP stage 3. When I tell y'all, I don't have to do anything special. Only maintenance I do is oil changes, basic stuff. Like right now I should get my wiper blades done, but like that is the most basic things. And my oil change, I think my oil change costs like, I think I paid like $115 or something the last time. And yeah, that's kind of expensive, but for something like a Civic or so, you're gonna be spending like $80, so might as well spend an extra $40 on a Beamer. That's just how I see it, at least. And that's just because I get the best oil. You can get cheaper oil, like fully synthetic still, and it's going to cost you probably less than 100 with the filter and everything. And I pay like $115 just because I want the best stuff for my car. I fill up once a week. Sometimes I fill up more. Like this week I'm gonna fill up before the week mark. I drive my car a lot. That's the thing. I drive like, I'll put it up on screen. I remember how much kilometers to school and back every single day, like Monday to Friday. And then on the weekends, I'm always doing something. I just wanted to say all the prices are in Canadian dollars. So when I say like $115 for my oil change, that's $115 Canadian dollars. And for my gas, it really depends. Like, look how I'm driving. I'm using my leg to drive right now. That's some crazy shit. But yeah, I pay like, I'll say on average, I'll just say like 100 for gas. Cause sometimes it's more, sometimes it's like, I've seen this shit take 120 before, but that's when gas is like hella expensive. Sometimes I'll be paying even 85. It really depends on how much gas is. Damn, it's snow, but I still gotta put my window down because I don't think y'all are here in the car right now. And my springs are coming in today, but I don't know when I'm gonna get it done, like when I'm gonna install them. Because really and truly, I want to get it done like ASAP, probably like this weekend or someday during the week. But I don't know how bad it's gonna snow, and having a lowered car in the snow, I don't think is the smartest thing. I don't know how long of a video it is or how good of a video, because like I said, there's not much to talk about maintenance wise with the B58, for me at least so far. I don't have any complaints about this car. I'm gonna make another video like this in the summertime, because by then it's gonna be like lowered. Yeah, if y'all have any questions though, feel free to ask me in the comments. I don't know if I left out anything, I might have, but thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all again in the next one.